Hello everybody, today we're going to be lowering a Civic Si. Is this what year is this? 2017 sedan. We're going to be putting a Truhart lowering spring and camber kit for the rear SBC performance. And then we're going to start by, of course, opening the hood. Alright. Sure, the lower 2017 Civic Si sedan. Alright, so remove the 17 shock holder right here, and then remove the 14 millimeter for the 14 for the sway bar end links. So just easy as that. Okay, and then next is unclip this clip right over here, and then squeeze the top part and pull out just like that, and then get a long nose plier to squeeze those little tabs over there. That piece is squeezed in, just push that, and then push this one out. The easiest way to do it is don't remove this bolts on the top, just unscrew everything underneath and then push this down, the hub, push this thing down, and it'll come off. Make sure you put WD on it, unplug everything. That's it, and then I'm ready to remove the top. It took about 5 minutes for that, maybe less. So I'll go ahead and compress it, remove it with a 17 millimeter and a 6 millimeter hex. Compress it, and then the spring has a cover right here. Holder for the rubber. Just rotate it until it comes out on this side. Then that's it. First one out. Just be careful because you have electrical wiring over here for the dampener adjust. All right, that one is out. Putting the new springs back in. It's very simple, guys. Make sure you got one of these. Right, of course, the white one. It's Truhart. Anyway, I don't think you don't need to compress this because it's already short as it is. Just put it in and then tighten everything. Okay, to put it back, you're gonna have to remove the steering rack link, and then remove the 36 millimeter nut. Push it back. Make sure that doesn't come off the socket and the driver's side. It's a bitch to put it on. Trust me. It popped out earlier, but I was able to put it back. Take out the brake caliper, 219 millimeter, and then remove the 3 17 millimeter underneath. Is that 17? It looks like 14 or 17. Those 3 bolts, and then actually remove this. That way you can put it in, just slide it in. That's the easiest way to do it without, trying to fiddle with putting it back in. Make sure you just unplug everything on it. So that's how you remove it, and that's the only way that you can put it back easily without, make sure you put the nut on the top, by the way, just to hold it down. Okay, I guess that's about it. And then I'm gonna put everything back. I'm gonna remove the 14, or is it 17? Let's find out. Yep, it's 17. 17 mil. So 36, torqued it the proper spec. I forgot what it is. You can tell by where I removed it, it came in the same way. So that's it. Just remove it, and see how I removed the nuts over here. Took out the brakes. The only way to do it, the easiest way and the fastest way, just remove everything. Okay, so I'm ready to put it back, and we're gonna do the rear. This process took really quick by removing everything. So all right, just remove the bolt right here. That's 17 millimeter. And then I went ahead and replaced the camber kit on the back. That way I have a positive camber a little bit. So this is a very tricky to remove. The 17 bolt is inside. So what you need to do is have one of these. You have one of these wrench, or the extra large one, and you angle it from the inside underneath this this gas tank from the inside, and that's how you remove it from the bottom. So from the bottom, painstakingly turn it quarter turn at not quarter turn, but few turn at a time. So it took a long time to turn it, but it came off. So remove this, and that's that for the rear. This one, alright guys, so for the other bolt, as you can see, we had it like that. Just insert it from the bottom. You can see where you see how long that is, and you know, just have a friend hold it from here and then unscrew away, and that's how you remove the bolts. All right, there you go, guys. Basically, lowering the rear is very simple. We went ahead, rear is a lot simpler to do. We went ahead and changed the Camber SPC brand. So what you need to do is just basically, you don't need to remove the, you don't need to remove this nut right here. So just remove the bottom, and then this drops, and then remove this top, everything just drops, so the spring comes off easily. See? So if you remove 1 and 2, it literally takes about 5 minutes to do it. Well, if you're gonna do the Camber, it's gonna take you at least a long time, because once again, I showed you it's very, very tight to get that nut, this nut right here. That's very tight to remove. So that's it. It'll take about 30-40 minutes on the rear, because of that nut. It takes forever to unscrew it or to remove it. So that's it, and put it back, put everything back, and see how your car looks like. And we'll be right back. So everything is in place, and it's looking pretty sick, I say. All right, this is a 2017 SI sedan. Here it is, all dropped. Ooh wee, that shit's flush. Anyway, hopefully the ride is good. We're gonna test drive it in a little bit, and we're all done here. Let me see the gap. No gap. It's just exactly flush. All right, guys, that's how you put it on and remove it. Thanks for watching. Please sub if you can, and I'll see you in the next project.